Hanoi, a city buzzing with life, a symphony of sights, sounds and smells. But amidst the chaos lies a treasure, a culinary masterpiece unique to this city, egg coffee. Forget your cappuccinos and lattes. This is something different. This is Hanoi in a cup. Egg coffee isn't just a drink here, it's an experience. It's a tradition passed down through generations. It's a testament to Vietnamese ingenuity and their love affair with coffee. Trust me, once you've had a sip of this liquid gold, you'll understand. Our story takes us back to the 1940s, a time of war and hardship in Vietnam. Resources were scarce, including milk, a key ingredient in the French-style coffee favored by the Vietnamese. Enter Nguyen Van Giang, a bartender at the legendary Sofitel Legend Metropole Hotel. Faced with a shortage of milk, Giang had a stroke of genius. He whisked egg yolks with condensed milk, creating a rich velvety cream as a substitute. Thus, egg coffee was born. A testament to making the best out of limited resources, a true mark of a resourceful chef. Making egg coffee is a delicate dance, a careful balance of precision and passion. It starts with strong Vietnamese robusta coffee brewed using a traditional fin filter. This potent brew forms the base of our drink. Now for the star of the show, the egg cream. Egg yolks are whisked into a frenzy with sweetened condensed milk, creating a thick, airy cloud. This golden mixture is then gently spooned over the hot coffee. The result? A beautiful contrast of dark, bitter coffee and sweet, creamy topping. Take a sip. First, you're hit with the robust, almost chocolatey flavor of the robusta coffee. Then, the magic happens. The egg cream blends in, coating your mouth with a velvety smoothness. The sweetness of the condensed milk offsets the bitterness of the coffee, creating a harmonious balance. This isn't a drink to be rushed. It's meant to be savored, to be enjoyed slowly. Each sip is an exploration of textures and tastes. The creamy richness of the egg cream, the boldness of the coffee, all coming together to create an unforgettable experience. Section 5. More than a beverage egg. Coffee and Hanoi's soul. Egg coffee is more than just a drink in Hanoi. It's woven into the city's cultural fabric. This unique beverage, made from egg yolks, sugar, condensed milk and robust Vietnamese coffee, has a rich, creamy texture that sets it apart from any other coffee experience. The origins of egg coffee date back to the 1940s, when milk was scarce, and a resourceful bartender named Nguyen Van Giang created this delightful concoction as a substitute. It's an integral part of the city's vibrant café culture, a beloved ritual enjoyed by locals and tourists alike. The experience of sipping egg coffee goes beyond just the taste. It's about the ambience of the cafes, the friendly chatter, and the sense of community that permeates these spaces. Each cafe has its own unique twist on the recipe, making every cup a new adventure. Step into any cafe in Hanoi, from the hole-in-the-wall joints to the more upscale establishments, and you'll find egg coffee on the menu. These cafes are not just places to grab a quick drink, they are social hubs where people gather to share stories, ideas, and laughter. The atmosphere in these cafes is always warm and inviting, reflecting the spirit of Hanoi itself. It's a drink that fosters connection, a catalyst for conversations. Whether you're meeting an old friend or making a new one, egg coffee serves as the perfect icebreaker. The act of sharing this unique beverage creates a bond, a shared experience that transcends language and cultural barriers. Whether you're catching up with friends, discussing business, or simply enjoying a moment of solitude, egg coffee is the perfect companion. Its rich, velvety texture and sweet, aromatic flavor provide comfort and joy, making any moment special. The versatility of egg coffee means it can be enjoyed in various settings, from bustling cafes to quiet corners. It's a taste of Hanoi's soul, a symbol of the city's warmth, resilience, and ingenuity. Egg coffee embodies the resourcefulness of the Vietnamese people, turning a simple cup of coffee into a cultural icon. As you sip this delightful drink, you are not just tasting a beverage, you are experiencing a piece of Hanoi's history and spirit. Section 6. Beyond Giang, a city steeped in egg coffee. While Nguyen Van Giang might be the father of egg coffee, his legacy lives on in countless cafes across Hanoi. The bustling streets of this vibrant city are dotted with numerous coffee shops, each offering their own version of this iconic drink. From small, cozy corners to large, bustling establishments, the aroma of egg coffee wafts through the air, inviting both locals and tourists to indulge in this unique beverage. Each establishment adds its own unique twist to the classic recipe, resulting in a diverse and delicious array of egg coffee experiences. Some cafes might add a hint of chocolate, while others might infuse their coffee with exotic spices. The creativity knows no bounds, and the result is a rich tapestry of flavors that cater to every palate. Some cafes use honey instead of condensed milk for a healthier twist. This not only adds a natural sweetness but also enhances the overall flavor profile, making the coffee even more delightful. Others experiment with different types of coffee beans, adding layers of complexity to the flavor profile. From robust dark roasts to smooth, mellow blends, the choice of beans plays a crucial role in defining the character of the egg coffee. But no matter the variation, the essence of Giang's creation shines through, a testament to the enduring appeal of this unique beverage. The frothy, creamy texture combined with the rich, aromatic coffee creates a sensory experience that is both comforting and invigorating. It's a drink that not only satisfies the taste buds, but also tells a story of tradition, innovation, and the vibrant culture of Hanoi. Section 7, a classic reinvented, the evolution of egg coffee. As with any iconic dish, egg coffee has also seen its fair share of innovation over the years. Originating in Hanoi in the 1940s, this unique beverage was born out of necessity when milk was scarce. A resourceful bartender named Nguyen Van Giang whipped up egg yolks with sugar and coffee, creating a creamy, frothy delight that quickly became a local favorite. Fast forward to today, and modern takes on the classic recipe are popping up everywhere, pushing the boundaries of this beloved beverage. From chic urban cafes to high-end restaurants, egg coffee is being reimagined in exciting new ways. Think egg coffee affogato, where the creamy concoction is poured over a scoop of vanilla ice cream. This delightful twist combines the rich flavors of egg coffee with the cool, sweet taste of ice cream, creating a dessert that's both refreshing and indulgent. Or how about egg coffee cocktails, where the drink's unique flavor profile is used to create innovative and delicious alcoholic beverages. Imagine sipping on a cocktail that blends the smooth, velvety texture of egg coffee with the bold kick of your favorite spirit, garnished with a touch of cinnamon or a twist of citrus. These modern interpretations pay homage to the original while adding a touch of contemporary flair. They celebrate the rich history of egg coffee, honoring its humble beginnings while embracing the creativity and innovation of today's culinary scene. Whether enjoyed in a traditional cafe or a trendy new spot, egg coffee continues to captivate and delight coffee lovers around the world. Section 8. Hanoi's gift to the world. From its humble beginnings in a Hanoi hotel, egg coffee has transcended borders, captivating coffee enthusiasts worldwide. Today you can find this unique beverage on cafe menus from New York to London to Tokyo. Foodies and adventurers seek it out, eager to experience the magic of this Vietnamese creation. But despite its global reach, egg coffee remains deeply rooted in Hanoi. It's a reminder of the city's rich culinary heritage, its spirit of innovation, and its ability to transform simple ingredients into something truly extraordinary. Section 9. A taste of Hanoi wherever you are. So next time you find yourself craving a cup of coffee, skip the ordinary. Seek out a taste of Hanoi. Order the egg coffee. Let the rich aroma, the velvety texture, and the harmonious blend of flavors transport you to the bustling streets of Vietnam's capital. It's a taste you won't soon forget, a reminder that sometimes the most unexpected combinations can create the most extraordinary experiences. Until next time, happy travels and happy eating.